Shine bright up all night. We're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes.
My voice is so cracky. Welcome back to another vlog. I just woke up this morning and I woke up to a mail or a message that the school is closed because there is a freezing rain. So due to the bad weather, the school is closed. Usually when there are bad weather like that, because of the kids' safety, the school is closed. So this week I've only been to work for 2 days. So if you guys don't know, I work in the school. So I want to work out now, but I want to post for a thumbnail before working out. Please kindly go ahead and click the like button if you haven't already, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and post for a thumbnail. You guys, before when I started YouTube, I wasn't taking this into consideration. Like, I don't put it in mind. So when I'm done with my content, then I remember that okay, I need a thumbnail. So it's not always difficult, but as they say, when you keep doing things, you keep getting better at it. So now it's always on my mind to take thumbnails, especially when I have idea of what I want to do, what kind of content I want to create. I haven't actually worked out this week. Can you guys please just ignore any background noise? The washroom, the basement washroom. I don't think I'm going to be working out here because it seems cold here, except I carry one of those portable eat dish down here, but I don't think I want to go through that stress. And I haven't actually worked out this week at all. This year, one of my New Year resolution is to make sure that it's a New Year resolution or a habit I want, not just for this year. So it's going to be a continuous habit for me. I want to make sure that I work out regularly, like taking my health so important, and not just because of the shape. Of course, that would be a plus, but not just because of the physique benefits, but also just staying healthy. You know, everybody wants to stay healthy, everybody wants to live long. I'm just gonna keep quiet until this whatever that is making this sound. I don't know if you guys can hear those sounds I'm talking about. So I'm just gonna. Alright, so the noise just stopped. So like I was saying, I want to be that gym girl. Yeah, I want to work out regularly, try to eat more healthy. It's not easy. It's not easy, but it's something we can all achieve, we can all do. Just take that baby step. Just try. So what am I looking for? My phone. I think I'm going to use my phone to take this thumbnail. So pause for thumbnail, Temi. Pause. Like, I'm like, what's blurry? I think I need to clean the lens of my phone. Something is still not adding up. I think I need to wipe my mirror. So my entire household people are still sleeping. I'm the only one awake. So I'm just going to start with yoga this morning. I already put it on the TV. So I usually just use some YouTube videos for yoga and workouts. And since I haven't been working out this week, so it's a good day for me to make up, no work. So I'm going to be making up for all the ones I didn't do over the week. Yeah, that reminds me, if you're a teacher or you have an education degree and you're planning to relocate to Canada, it's advisable you start processing your teacher's license, because due to COVID, the licensing process takes longer than usual, and sometimes they're usually constrained or challenges getting it if you're not there physically, like if you're not in your home country where you studied, to get all these things. For example, for Nigeria, you have to write an exam before you can get your teacher's license, except you have your teacher's license already. then you can just start the process. But if you have never gotten a teacher's license and you're considering maybe changing a career, starting a school job or a teacher's job in Canada, then I'll advise you ensure that you start your processing before you leave Nigeria. It's something you can do even if you've not landed in Canada, as all provinces have their websites where you can get all the information, all the requirements you need, and you just pay your processing fee. That way, by the time you're getting to Canada, your license might be ready and you start working. So instead of taking your time or starting with some survival jobs, you can actually land and start with your dream job. It's time for green tea. I need to take tea, relax a bit, then go shower. And it's 9:21 now. I burnt 236 calories. Sometimes in this life, there are some clothes you will own and you'll be wondering, did you ever swear an oath of till death do us part? That is this top. I've had this top for, I can't even remember, but what I remember is that this was the cloth I wore when I was coming down to Canada from Nigeria. If I find a picture in my Google Photos, I'll put it on the screen somewhere. I'm like, gosh, this top, you're still here, and it's a size 8 top and I can still fit in it. Oh my god, Temi, you are doing well. You are doing well. And by the way, this is my husband's joggers. I love to just wear his tops. I'm trying to check what tomorrow's weather is, as today's weather is not so favorable. I intended doing some photo shoot. You guys, please just ignore the background noise. I wake up very early today, so I'm able to do the photo shoot. I want to create some Valentine look, but the kids are awake, so it's not easy to vlog when you have kids around. Anyway, so I'm trying to check what the weather is, because I've been up and I've been monitoring this weather. Maybe the sunlight is going to increase, but it looks like it's not going to. So I want to use can weather. Let me just search for it. Hourly. No, 7 days. Oh my god! Can you guys see that? The sun! Yeah! So Sunday is the only day that it's going to be sunny this coming week. Oh wow. So just Sunday, I have to make use of this opportunity tomorrow. So that means I'll be creating the look tomorrow. Thank goodness. Thank God for that. These are the clothes I intend creating the look with. I'm sure you must have all seen this before on my Instagram page. This I got from Boo. I actually thought I got this from Fashion Nova, but it's from Boo. It's a red blazers with cape. So let's see what I can create. And also this pink jacket, I got this online and I just love it. It came with a belt from an unknown online store. Jeez. And I got this from Zara. I just got this one recently. I haven't worn it before. And let's see what look we're going to be creating with all this. And the next is this beautiful purple dress I got from my friend yesterday. She gave me this as a birthday gift. I actually created a video unboxing my gift, the recent gift I got, and some other items. But they were part of the files that got corrupted. So I'm sorry you guys won't be seeing the unboxing. Yesterday also gave me this and bag or purse as well. Thank you so much, Yetunde. God bless you. God bless you richly, my darling. And you know I love purple. So on my birthday, I also wore a purple dress. So when I saw it, I'm like, smart girl. She knows I love purple. And she also have a YouTube channel, so please kindly support her. I'm gonna put her handle or YouTube name on the screen. And that's it. And if you haven't seen my birthday vlog as well, go check it out. It's a fun vlog to watch. And this is just an underwear for any cloth with open cleavage. So I'll be wearing this. And also this, you guys know I love this. I bought this during the festive period, and I was supposed to wear this on Christmas actually, but we changed our mind. Or I was supposed to wear it on the 26th for a Christmas gathering, a Christmas party, but of course due to the lockdown we couldn't go for the party. So also I got this too from Zara. This skirt, I'm actually not a skirt person. I don't know if I have skirts. But I love dresses. I love short dresses. I'm sure you guys know that. And I'm always wearing trousers, pants. So it's a cropped top. It's a cropped sweater. I believe it's going to really go with the skirt because the skirt is kind of stretchy. You can wear it. Obviously, I'm going to wear this as high-rise skirt, high-waist skirt. So we're going to be creating a new recipe together. Even though I'm supposed to just try a little bit and see if it works out. But I have a meeting to go into by 12 and it's 11:18. I hope you guys can see that. It's 11:18 right now. So I don't have time for all those errands. They will eat it like that. They will eat it like that though. But I'm just trying to gather all the things together. So let me finish gathering everything, then I'll run you through all the recipe, then we'll go right into it. It's not something serious, it's just something easy for breakfast or brunch, because this is definitely going to be brunch. So we're going to be needing mixed veggies, some dry pepper and black pepper, curry and thyme, minced garlic, seasoning powder, eggs, diced onions, oil, cooking oil, Italian seasoning or any seasoning of your choice. Why is this thing not focusing? Ground beef and tortilla. So I have different ones here, so I'm going to be using this as a sample, being a small one, so probably for my daughter. And I have the wheat one, which is the one I eat, and the white one, the big white one as well. So that's it. And I have extra mixed veggies here. This I buy from No Frills most of the time. So that's the list of our ingredients. And also you're going to be needing your air fryer and you need your frying pan. And so please do check the description box as I'll be listing everything there.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like I've been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling.
like it?
No, you can tell me the name, that's right.
The name? We need to give it a name. What do you think?
Taco Mommy's fresh, best, most delicious, most nutritious, most best food in the world. That's what it should be called.
You guys, this is super tasty. Like when I mean tasty, it's tasty and yummy. Oh my god, but I can't have too much. So I'm having 2 pieces of the small ones. Guess what? Rimsey carried my own. So I add one of these and one of the wheat tortilla on there, and it carried it, but that's fine. So I'm eating the white one. The best part of it is that the outer part is crunchy and the inside part is juicy and tasty and flavorful. Oh my god, if you're into food, you know what I'm talking about. Like the combination of everything is busting my head. This is really nice, you guys. This is really nice. So but next time when I'm trying it, I'm not gonna put egg. The reason I added egg was because I wanted the egg to help everything form so that they don't start falling apart or pouring out from the wrap. But mayonnaise did the magic. Even the egg didn't do it. So I had to add mayonnaise. You guys saw that I added mayonnaise at the point. So mayonnaise is okay, so you don't need any egg for this recipe. This is yum. Let me continue enjoying it with my French vanilla. And these calories I am consuming today, hey, your girl have to work out, double workout today, double.